Friends, there are many apps which are available on Play Store and you can use them to make concept maps, but here I am using this one. Name of this app is Simple Mind Lite and this app is easy to use and user friendly. I am also using this app from last few months. So let's start. We will simply click on this open button and now see this is its interface. Now what we are supposed to do, we will simply click here. Okay, we will simply click here. Now whenever you want to create any new concept map, you will click here on this plus symbol. Click edit central theme. Now what is edit central theme? You have to choose a topic on which you want to make a concept map. Let's take an example. We are taking an example of food. We want to make a concept map for class 3 or class 4 students. So we will type here food, right? See. Now you can see 3 options are there. Initially we want this one only because this is our first video on concept maps, so we will avoid unnecessarily details. So initially you can ignore these 2 options and focus on this one only. Gradually you will learn how to use these also. So we want to make more categories under this title food. So we will simply click here and we will write here plants. Okay, now see, we can easily move them, rotate them as per our convenience. Now again we want to add one more category under food. So we have to select food. Now again click on this plus symbol and write down animals. See again. So first level of our concept map is complete. Now we want to make more categories under plants and animals. To save your time, you can do one thing. First of all, draw your concept map on the paper and later on you can start in app. Now we want to make more categories under plants. So simply select the plants and again what we have to do, there are many options, this one, this one, this one and this one, but we have to focus on this one initially, this plus symbol. Okay, so simply click here. Now what are the foods which we get from plants? Seeds. Okay, seeds. Now we want to make more categories under plants. So again select the plants and then plus. Fruits. Again select plants and then plus. Vegetables. Again select plants and plus spices. Now we can arrange them properly to avoid any kind of confusion. See. Now let's move to animals. We want to make subcategories under animals. Select animals and then we have to choose this one. Okay, plus we get honey from animals. Again animals, plus we get milk from animals. Again select animals and then plus symbol. Oil, although we also get oil from plants, but at initial level to avoid confusion I am not writing oil under plants. Okay, we can write here eggs, we can write here meat, That's it. Now let's arrange them properly. See, our first concept map is ready. Now you can also change its color from here. Okay, let's click here. See, some options are available. If you will select this one, then your concept map will look like this. So different options are available. You can select according to your choice. This one is also good. Okay, now your concept map is ready. You can simply click here if you want to go back. Okay, see here. Now here you can see the list. The first one is a concept map which is already by default, but here this concept map is made by us. So you can easily use this concept map for students in your PPTs, in your videos, very easily. You can also delete your concept map from here, and if you want to make some modifications, then you can use this option. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and you can easily make concept maps for your students with the help of this app.